Hey guys and gals, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, coming to you with another shop card shout out. This time we have two shop cards from Frank over at Frizzo's Model Cars. He sent me this one, and sent me this one with this awesome diorama. I have never done a diorama. It looks like a lot of work. It's got a nice shiny polished shop floor. Got some great brick detail. I mean, this just looks like some awesome stuff. He also sent me a sticker, which I'm gonna put on my paint case, just to give y'all a small idea of my workstation area, and a whole bunch of shaky cam. This is my workspace. Got my hobby design stuff, have the fish tanks. And then right over here, I have my case, which contains a bunch of paints and supplies. And when I get stickers from you guys, they go somewhere on that case. So check out Frank's channel. It's Frizzo's Model Cars. There's going to be a link, and it'll be down in the description as well. Does a lot of muscle cars. He's done the Foos truck, but he did it in like a dark candy red. It's really gorgeous. He also did the AMT GT350. If any of you guys have done that, you know what a beast of a build that is. I know Paul from International Scale Model started it, and I think he binned it on like day one. So, no, I'm not doing that. I managed to build the AMT GT350. I think I have more putty than I have body, but Frank built it and it came out real clean, just gorgeous work. Go ahead and check him out. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep modeling, and have a great day.